Hi class, today we are going to use the sight method to learn a word. The word we are going to learn today is. Can you use three sentences or think of three sentences, any of you that use that word? Yes?
The sun is out.
Yes, the sun is out. Great. Any others? Yes.
The cat is cute.
The cat is cute. Good job. And any others?
The girl is fascinating.
The girl is fascinating. Good job. Spell and read is.
Is.
Correct. This word should be is. Say is. Is. Spell and say is.
Is.
Okay, and here, what sound is missing?
I.
And what letter? I. That is correct. What letter makes the sound I? I. Correct. Spell and read. I'm going to erase this, and then on your paper, spell and read is on your paper.
Is.
Correct. Write spell and read is on your paper.
Is.
Correct. Is. Proof and correct the word on your paper.
Is.
Okay, now don't look. Look at the ceiling and write your imaginary word.
Is.
Correct. Is.